Hi! In this video, you will learn how to use Vibracart Pro to set up a store on your Rapidweaver site just by adding 1 or 2 pages. The cart was originally designed as a freeform system where you add the cart and buttons to your pages as needed. However, since version 2, you can also have a sortable and searchable storefront page. This enables you to set up a store with just one page, no matter how many products you have. The cart is already installed with a few products set up. In the Storefront tab, I have entered a product overview in the Storefront description editor. Now let's add a new store page in Rapidweaver and call it store.php. You can set up the page however you want, but I will just add an image to the top. Before we can add the storefront to the page, we first need to add the cart stack, as we do for all pages using the cart. The final step is to get the storefront snippet to paste in the page. Before we get that, we can just set a few options for the store. We will have it set to 100% width and showing 3 columns and up to 6 products per page. Set a min and max width for each product box. Show all the images. And include the Add to Cart button. Now we'll save those changes and get the snippet to add to our store page. We will paste that code into an HTML stack. Now let's publish and see how our new store page looks. That seems to be working well. You can play with the settings to adjust things, of course. For many sites, the storefront page might be all that is needed. However, if you sell more complex products, you may like to have product-specific pages that provide further details. We can enable the More Information button on the storefront page to link to those pages. The Product Details page URL can be set in the Storefront tab of each product. We'll leave that blank for now. Instead of manually creating product pages, you can instead use Vibracart Pro's product template feature. The product template is a page that can display product details for any product. This has a number of advantages. You don't need to create a page for each product. In addition, it means that you or your colleagues can add or edit products without needing to use Rapidweaver. It's basically like a CMS. Let's create a product template page in Rapidweaver and call it product.php. We'll hide it in the navigation. As always, we will add the cart stack to the page. We can now add the product detail snippets to the template. We do this the same way as we would for a specific product, but we will use the special product ID VC template. To get the code, we can use any product we have set up and choose snippets for product template page. First, we will add the product short description as a header. We need to tell Rapidweaver that this is code, so we highlight it and choose Ignore Formatting from the menu or click Command dot. It will turn pink. We'll use a 2-column layout with the image on the left. We will paste the image grid snippet into an HTML stack and tweak the min and max width for a better fit. We can show a product overview using the store description snippet and further details using the full description. We will insert the item price using a header to make it display a little larger. We need to tell Rapidweaver that this is code, so we highlight it and choose Ignore Formatting from the menu or click Command dot. Finally, we will add the Add to Cart button using the button stack. Setting the product ID as VC template. We can publish our product page now. Before we can test it, we need to set our product page URL in the store settings. We will also remove the Add to Cart button from the storefront and set it to show just the main product image. Let's see how it looks now. So there you have it, a complete store with just 2 pages. Thanks for watching.